Hi guys, welcome back to the channel for this banging new year, and I am wishing you a happy new year and welcome to 2026. This is your host Dhruv and I am from Anant Realties, and today I'm going to showcase to you a brand new 345 square yard builder floor which is here in Rosewood City. This is called the heart of Gurgaon. Why? Because we are in the center of the city and everything is very accessible from here. Let me start this tour by telling you that this is a Vastu compliant home. And if you're a person who's looking at a Vastu compliant home, because it's an east facing plot and a north entrance, and northeast becomes your clear area of a mandir or entire drawing or dining section with no washrooms or kitchen falling in the northeast, this is a Vastu perfect home for you guys. Now let me start this tour by telling you that it's a 4 BHK and it's in a gated colony. It's the corner plot and we have round the clock security here in Greenwood. Now as you can see, it's a 4 BHK layout. Now let's start this tour and stick to the end of this video. Subscribe to the channel, do help us grow, and comment your views at the end of this video. Let's start the tour by first showing you this entire drawing dining section, and behind me is the mandir area which comes in the north zone, and this is an east facing plot, and the northeast coordination for a mandir is the best for a Vastu perfect home. And now let's check out this beautiful formal drawing section. So now here we have multiple kinds of materials which have been used. So इधर veneer आ जाता है, ठीक है? Then we have a glass here, we have a reflective glass finish here, and then we have our very beautiful book match finish tile which is in a sort of yellowish or a creamish tone or a beige tone, I would say. We have cob lighting here in between the panels, and again we have a veneer finish here. We have Daikin inverter ACs. These are 3-star ACs, so बिजली की बचत तो बिल्कुल जरूरी होती है. This is your area for a TV panel. We have a very beautiful wall molding, POP wall molding here done. The paint finish in this is a very premium Asian Paints Royal Shine or a Royal Matte, because as I can see it's a Royal Shine paint because the light is reflecting from the paint and the walls, and it's very premium. Switches are by Legrand, and what I'll do, I'll just attach this annexure sheet in front of you. Do pause the video and have a look for 3 to 5 seconds so that you can understand what all materials go inside while making a floor. So अब हम शुरू करते हैं अपना फर्स्ट बेडरूम हमारा फ्रंट साइड पे, जो कि अब मैं आपको इसकी डायमेंशंस अगर बताऊं तो वी हैव इसकी डायमेंशंस आ जाती है हमारे पास. So it's 16.9, which is 17, and the depth of the room is around 11.6 feet. So 17 by 11.6, it's a very big size bedroom. We have a very nice TV cabinet here. TV placement is going to be here, and the bed placements are going to be here itself. So अगर हम बात करते हैं bed placement की, यहाँ पे भी हमको बहुत अच्छा POP finish दिया है for the bed back side. We have again veneer finishes and glass finishes here. अगर आप सीलिंग की बात करो, देखो यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा ऑटोमेटिक फैन दिया हुआ. These are BLDC fans. They are by a company called Orient, and look at the false ceiling. अगर आप लाइट्स की बात करूं तो एंटी रिफ्लेक्टिव लाइट्स होती है, जो कि आप जब तक लाइट के नीचे नहीं जाओगे तब तक आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि लाइट जल रही है. So these are the kinds of finishes that we get inside a very premium floor and with a builder who has a lot of experience. So let's check out this very beautiful dresser area, because here we have our 2 wardrobes and the bathroom is all finished with tiles. So anti-skid tiles on the walls as well as we have a very nice designer marble tile inside the shower cubicle as well. All fittings and sanitary ware are by Jaguar. So throughout the floor, all bathrooms will have the Jaguar fittings, and annexure में भी हर चीज mentioned है, so you can also rewind the video and have a look at the annexure that we have attached. So as we enter the kitchen, we have a very nice layout of the kitchen. We have our hob chimney here, they are by Faber, and we have our oven microwave here. So all appliances are given by the builder. We also have a AC also, which is a very nice specification which you can include in a 345 square yard builder floor. तो मतलब आप AC include कर रहे हो जो कि 400-500 गज में include होती है. That's a very nice touch given by the builder. अगर मैं आपको यहाँ पे बताऊं, so appliances are all on now. We have our pantry room here as well, a pantry wardrobe, double sink for your vegetables and for the wet dishes, and then we have a shaft here which is very important for the kitchen area. बहुत अच्छा लंबा लेआउट है किचन का, सो दैट एवरीबडी कैन फिट इन. 3-4 लोगों को भी अगर आना है, खाना बनाना है, तो दे कैन इजीली डू इट. सो एज वी एंटर आवर फैमिली लाउंज एरिया एंड द डाइनिंग एरिया, आई बिलीव कि सिंस किचन यहाँ पे है, डाइनिंग टेबल समवेयर अराउंड वी कैन हियर प्लेस इट वेरी वेल. वी हैव 2 फैंस हियर, सो नो नीड फॉर एन एसी. एंड ऑल्सो मतलब एसी की जरूरत तो पड़ती है, बट वी हैव एसीज ऑल्सो हियर इन द डाइनिंग सेक्शन एज वेल. So now if we talk about the powder room, we have our powder room entry for the guests, and this is also attached with the guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom of the house, and if I tell you the dimensions are, because the wardrobe is inside the floor, the dimensions 13.7 in depth, and we have 10.8 feet. So 13 by 10 का बहुत अच्छा दिया है. यहाँ पे 2 wardrobes दी है, and then this is again the washroom is attached with this guest bedroom as well as from the outside for the common area. So as we enter our 3rd bedroom of this floor, see now this is the grandness that we're talking about in a 345 square yard. See, if I tell you the dimensions of this room, it's 15.8 by 12.3. So 16 by 12 का रूम बहुत अच्छा दिया हुआ है. Now this is again, we have our second dresser here. We have 1 wardrobe here and 1.5 wardrobe here. So glass finish में और एक leatherite finish में, जो कि laminate होता है, leatherite laminate finish में दिया है. We have anti-skid tiles on the flooring, as well as we have nice beige tone tiles here on the walls as well. Again, the Jaguar bath and sanitary ware. Kitchen हम गीजर हमारा हैंडवेयर का लगाया हुआ है ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे अच्छा अराउंड 25 लीटर्स का गीजर उन्होंने प्लेस करके दिया है. So if I tell you about the lookout of this room, the layout of this room, we have groovings on the ceiling. We have again POP moldings on the ceiling. बहुत ही अच्छा, एक बहुत ही प्रीमियम वे में उन्होंने, एक एलिगेंट वे में इन्होंने फिनिश किया है बेडरूम्स को. So now let's move into the 4th bedroom, which is the last bedroom of this place. So this is the 4th bedroom of this 345 square yard build a floor. If I tell you the dimensions of this room, we have 11.4 by 15.8. So again, the room which is similar to the room that we saw in the previous room that we saw, and now this is also with a dresser, and I feel this washroom is even more spacious than the last bedroom and washroom that we saw, because यहाँ पे हमको again marble look में tiles दी हैं wall पे. We have good Italian marble flooring here in the bathroom. We have our good shower cubicle space here. Geysers are there in the bathroom as well. Jaguar fittings, and we have a very nice vanity section also here. And अगर wardrobes की बात करें, यहाँ पे fluted glass finish में हमको wardrobe मिल जाएगी इधर, which comes with the sensor lights as well. एंड इधर भी हमको वार्डरोब मिलती है 2. सो स्टोरेज की हमको बिल्कुल भी कोई स्कार्सिटी नहीं होने वाली. स्टोरेज, दिस एम्पल स्टोरेज हियर इन दिस रूम इन द बाथरूम एज वेल. If you talk about the false ceiling, the fan is again here. It's a smart fan controlled by a remote BLDC fans. We have very nice strip lighting running through the ceiling, and false ceiling is so immaculate and so neatly done that you have to experience it yourself. मतलब अगर मैं आपको अगर इसके एक बिल्डर का जिस दूं, इट्स अ वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड बिल्डर, एंड ही इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हैंडलिंग 5 to 6 sites as of now as we speak. Now let's have a look at the backside area. So now we are in the backside balcony, which is also an extended MS Jal, on which you can lay down the grass carpet as well. It's a very nice area to host a party for 10-20 people. It is connected with the backside bedrooms, so हमको convenience, अगर so basically अगर आप party freak हो तो आप ये दोनों अपने rooms रख सकते हो. एक दोनों, you know, you can keep this rooms for yourself. आगे वाले room मत रखना, ताकि आपको अगर आपके parents इस room में रहेंगे तो वो disturb होंगे. So it's a very nice area to party. So this entire house comes with a power backup. We have a Kirloskar generator which is here. We have all the floors available. This comes with the fourth floor, comes with the top terrace. This is the sample unit right now where we're having a look at. Askings will be mentioned on the call itself. And I hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel and do like this video, comment your views. If you want to have a site visit for such a floor, do call us on the number which is given below, and we will definitely see you soon.